to the amount of profit, or basically the amount of earnings which is attributable to each equity or ordinary share which has been issued by what? By the company. That amount of profit, that amount of earnings attributable to each equity or ordinary share which has been issued by what? By the company. So therefore, EPS, this refers to what? Amount of profit, or basically amount of earnings which is attributable to each ordinary or basically equity share which has been issued by a company. Issued by what? By a company. That's what we talk of earnings per share. Amount of profit, amount of earnings which is attributable to each equity or ordinary share issued by the company. Now, this particular standard here, International Accounting Standard number 33, requires all the listed companies. And actually, when we talk about the listed companies, we are talking of those companies whose shares are trading in the securities exchange market. A good examples of this company maybe in our country, in Kenya, we include companies such as Safaricom, maybe companies such as what? Kenya Commercial Bank, Equity Bank, and so on. All these companies are listed simply because their shares trade in the securities exchange market. Now, this particular standard requires that the listed companies must compute and disclose as part of their financial statement two types of earnings per share. One, we have diluted earnings per share, and number two, we have what is known as the basic earnings per share. So therefore, all the listed companies, we are saying must compute and disclose two types of earnings per share. Two types of earnings per share. Number one, we have the basic earnings per share, abbreviated as BEPS. And number two, we have the diluted earnings per share, abbreviated as DEPS. Abbreviated as what? DEPS.